Hey guys, just wanted to share my last little pumpkin from my pumpkin village. As you can see, I've already done the first two, and I did do lives to show you those, but I thought I would just show you this third one in a sped up video. When I first started painting this with my harvest orange, I was going around the different elements, and then I realized that since I was going to be building them with the other pieces, the wood pieces, that it was okay if I just painted the whole thing orange. And I also used this, I believe, is Green Isle. These are all acrylic paints, you guys, and I had always painted all the other bases, so I wanted them to kind of go together. Just doing the vines and the top of the pumpkin in the green, and use that harvest orange again on my leaves. So all of this is acrylic paint, very easy to do. This is just one layer. This is Spiced Berry, another acrylic paint, and I did that for the steps and the little outline of the door. And then this cute little ladder, I used my, I think it's Laguna. Now this was a color that I created myself to try to match my shirt because I liked it so much, and did the doors and the accent pieces with it. So then what I did was go back and start assembling it. And as you can see from here, these are the coolest kits because they already have self-adhesive. They're self-adhesive, I guess is what I'm trying to say. They have sticky stuff already on the back. So you just pull the paper away and then you just plug it in wherever it goes. And you can see it's kind of almost like a puzzle. You can see exactly where all the pieces are meant to go and just build them up together, and then apply them to the, the main pumpkin house. I just think this is super easy. Even kids could do this, and it's just kind of fun and whimsical, and I just think it's going to be super cute as a fall decorating. Now you can choose whatever color choices you want. I'm just showing you the example here that goes with my decor and my taste. So once you're done, you just put it all together, and it will stand on its own. And I just went back and of course added a little bit of shimmer to a couple places just because I like shimmer. I hope you like this video and you'll give them a try yourself.